Hey there, Finless Bob here. So, these are the Bobo VR headphones, and I just got them. One of the things I didn't like was the amount of pressure that the spring loading here puts on your ear, or puts on their stock, right? And if you use the big cups, it's even more. I just didn't like the amount of pressure. So what I did is I designed this shim that can do multiple things. So basically, it's pretty simple. You snap it on, right? Snaps on pretty good, snaps off, all right? So when you're using the headset and you want to reduce the pressure, pardon me, I need my other hand here. I'm just going to set it down. And you want to reduce the pressure, you slide it in there. And this is the minimal, this it reduces the pressure just a little bit. But if you slide it all the way in, then it reduces the pressure a little more. It's still on ear, but the pressure is reduced. Normally when you're wearing this, it's already flexed out to here, or about to there anyway, depending on the width of your head. Now this has worked for me. Let me do it again here. There we go. So this worked for me, may not work for you, but what I did is I made some shims so you can do some other things. So there's a 2mm shim and a 3mm shim. All right. What it can do is if you want total off ear, you snap this in place like that. As you see, it's on there now. And then, pardon me, I'm going to set the camera down. And then you slide that in, and it's secure. It ain't going anywhere. As a matter of fact, you can turn this whole unit just like it was, so you can leave it here, and the headphones still turn, right? And it doesn't pop off. Anyway, this gives you the 3mm moves it far enough away to give you full off ear, meaning the rubber is not on your ear. Now again, head widths may vary here, and I'm going to put these files on Thingiverse. So if you want to modify or make them thicker or whatever you like. By the way, this right now is about as far as the spring will go. So this is max. So this is the maximum amount. The 2mm one, for me, the headphone was just barely touching the edge of my ear for off ear. So again, I'm not going to make a 1mm, 2mm, and 2.5. So you got a 2 and a 3. And that's about it. So when you don't want to use it, you just slide it off. When you do want to use it, just slide it in, and there you go. So wedge for adjusting the headphone the way you like it. Mainly I did this for off ear when I don't want them on my ear at all, but I found by doing this and then making this pop off adapter plate that basically if you slide it in here, it helps reduce the pressure if you don't like the amount of pressure that it's putting on your ears just stock, right? Anyway, again, I'll be putting these on Thingiverse, and hopefully it'll be helpful to someone. You got to 3D print them. Hopefully it'll be helpful to someone. Enjoy.